Hey guys, Colin here, and wanted to just take a quick look at what's happening with the Great Britain pound, New Zealand dollar. Here's what we're at least looking at in the short term. We see that it's it's going into overbought territory here, and we see this massive move that it's made so far, getting over the 50-day moving average. And we do see an area here of resistance right around here where it actually meets the 100-day moving average, and because of those wicks over here, we could go as high as over here by 1.19956, which would actually bring us right into contact with the 200-day moving average. So we can definitely look for a short rejection right there. Mini retracement, let's see, 99.8, probably at least 30, anywhere between 30 to 50 pips, I think, is what we're going to be looking at for a rejection at that level. In terms of whether or not it continues up, that's still left to say, to be honest. I mean, at this point in time, we were in a massive downtrend for quite some time. I mean, from the 14th of April, and then we hit this double bottom. So now we are enjoying a bounce, but that does not mean that we're just heading right back up. We have to see how this is going to react right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. We'll see how that one is coming along. That is on the daily chart. We can see again on the weekly chart. Now that makes it clear the primary reason for this major bounce was because we actually landed on the 200-week moving average. Anytime we're interacting with that 200 moving average, especially on the bigger time frames, you're going to get bigger movements. For example, look right here. See, we got rejected, major move down, 97,830, 86. Wow. Right? I mean, hundreds of pips there. Came back up again, a couple hundred pips. Let's see, 97, 210, 90. Whoa, right? I mean, come on. Those are huge movements in terms of this interaction with the 200 moving average. We finally were able to break through it. So now what used to be resistance now becomes support. So now we've come back down on the 200 moving average, and that's why it gave that bounce. And based on the attraction to the 50 moving average, this only further confirms what I was talking about, it going up to about 1.99 and change, 1.997 or something like that. And we'll have to see what kind of reaction we have when we get in contact with that 50-week moving average again. Okay guys, take care.